enim se wo Franka tudi na ne kasa ye mu na odi asem atodwa a o kasa nsori ahodo a wo mo ewo man yi mu no wo mo sika wo mo agye edi free nsori ma ho no ebeya nka wo mo mfa bi emie bi enwuma sani ebeya nsori ma no so betumi anya enwuma ne bi aye isan se nsori nso create employment a eyeye na asofo no bi ebuafu so pani asem o kan yi wanka ne yi anu na nam so ama Association of Concerned Clergy for anso kasa wo mo se o wo mo ne Kennedy adwen ade wo mo so nyina so kwa me sefa kasa mafo. Good morning.
Good morning, Abazi.
That is say
nyame adom na mompa ba na mpacho ho so
o de ache ye ginara
yede nyame asepa
nyina so a mo de kasa mo ne Kennedy akompre kwa Japan adwen ene ne say
nyame da say I think say this is the first time politicians who say offer say kebeya anka asofo na say sorry AC factory said the beya members ebenya dwumaye I think say asemo kan wan kan bone it say asori no yenim say the moral responsibility spirituality but divinely obligation no as say members no etiye ti omtiye ni say so mbenya dwumaye me gidi say authority Mrs hospital authority Mrs school authority Mrs university there let me say authority factory enya bone because Ghana ha yenya authority mani ko see prison and it's the authority Mrs prison there authority factory I don't think say enya bone na was ade ba kwa ese nipa nyina hu ni yie ni say Ghana no eye nyina ye dia ana se nyina ka se dia hu to aban ne so a aban ne kwanti menye eto hu ye no hu se da bi asori na du no asori so betimi aboa aketi employment among the members awati so asori bit say Pentecost esi factory the members no offer nom ne bakwai Assemblies of God Pentecost nom ne bebremu and I think said your kind nya bone but ade ba kwa esi hu ni ye ni say okay James chapter 2 verse 17 or say faith without works is dead. It means say untimi nkoso anka nkyere nkofo say omunyi nyankopon ni ebena komode wom what is it untimi nka say oh munyi nyankopon ni ebena komode wo oh and I believe say it's hard time sorry no asudie some members ya wo no they be make sure say Sietime sisi asondan, sietime aye niema bia, say yanhwe say you go into industries. I think that it's a fair commenter. Enu kwan say ya attacking anase bibisa, but sorry no ya chance na ka se babia du no. Yanso ebetina ye bibi e de aboa aban no. Asori hospital ya command no o ma ya de. Inua se obi enya duane ani anya exercise obi ni adwuma ya wo adwuma ya kwa na akoba yare akora ma wo enti se etimi ye wenum nyina de a na o ka se oh emna so se ene yensan hwe ba bia beboa se de be ya ye members benya adwuma ya I think say why you bold and we need such bold people no in this country oh so what you make ka say oh sorry yesramo but they are doing their most munci factories I think say it's fair day and as association there, one of our units say, you be making sure say the Ghana for whom be to no ne be kan wansem. And nothing that you say, oh, Papa na kai there. And the amount of so na yan as or mine. And also, as the government says, I saw any go into that unimudia. Next incentive be or the mom, tax waiver be or the mom. Yan trase about boa. I'm on mine at Tumpong because of mine ye. Because Bible says we should pray for the peace of Jerusalem. Say Jerusalem di ya, yes you be di. And it's also for a sorry, almost factories. Obi school, obenya juma ye. Wow members, obesan the title bro, obesan the offering bro. At the end of the day no, who chia ne ka no, ono be ma sika mienu. Obetua title, obesan the offering bound. Uber for the obesan the amount. Enti I think say honorable Kennedy Japan asemo kan ye there. Association no ye jitum.
But nini mo no. Se momoji tum no. There na wo hwa ebe wo hono ma abema asofo no bi aka hye Kennedy Japan say he should shut up.
Unia zi ebinum dwen say or time Christosom ebinum mentality no because osha ebinum edumebia na oye expose bi about pastors odo no hu ni ye say ekwan a omofa so de gisika bi ene niam bi ye no enye individual asem na no ka enye Christosom na no ka ho asem. The man on tia Christosum, but or say a near man cophobia a good Christo anymore say. I don't know or expose him, but and go for Jane said or time Christianity no. And ya no, meno I know na man say and go for bebre and pese say or coca say or caca say and cophobia dia and ye. And say ye momus I don't know me and enye. Man, the idea you. Ade anya enye uka se eye ne sene an enye yi ohu ati se obi kwakwato oil be 100 Ghana cedis ebia na de kwakwato mo obi 1000 Ghana cedis no enye ade anya enye eti mom ye pretend se ade ne ye odi ase but me de me gidi yi se ono ena ye Josiah emre yi mu ono ana oye ye Gideon emreimu because edumre bia Bible say na Josiah ebe ye ohen no abosuma wo Israel nyina obubu ni nyina tugui edane Israel for ni kohwe nyame ana Bible say Gideon so ebubu ni papa busum nyina eti ehun bi obetimi ahwe ni maka che say asofo mu yese ebeboa ye mu yese ebeboa mu yese na Kristosom mpagya. What they say no you get few people won betimi ahesa de no but me who said that quality ni woni mu a aboa. What they say ade enkoye see the otwasa no onim se na chiachira eti ono a oje na chi no betimi ateno aka che say oh ade we ya wo yi enyo da bia me make say won konkon timi mboa wa anointing oil timi mboa apple timi mboa bibia no betimi aboa does it mean say me thank you so sumana there be but ene mebu o na e dey replace won konkon a eno na enye eti asem o kan wan ka bone o sin krofo bi asofo bi wan take church o si asofo bi eye niam bi a omubu nkrofo fa so and omu getting it wrong but I believe say the papa na kan no honorable kan Japan kan on kan asem bone bia me ase eti mi si asondan ni asem bubu ni e dey si abi eti bi koto asase yeah, or see your members, so yeah, members. One can say, you ordinary people, or see, young year Jumania members in your Jumania. No munya Jumaya, offering no more bar, to Nia Mayan. I said, okay, and when one guy just I saw for Mummy to tax him and my government. Or see Mumia Juma. Now, members in your Jumania. Binia, Empire Bo and Fa, Adriani, and Mreubiao. Okwa sorry sempaibo e de aduane bro bia dia anka prayer tower fonka omna omo skapa enso msu nyina chechia me bo na say amba so ya say enti asemo kan ne de at least e ya asemo anka ese nke ye nyina no asoman no ya gitum esenke ya gitum a nanka ya hwe say oh sorry ekwan be ne be fa so e be bo aban no said de be ya the opesa oyen obetimi aye said the be unemployment ebetimi subetwa hwe obi ye odwuma ya onkobokro no da obi odwuma ya onkotran ba bi se okonom drugs obi odwuma ye papa onkoka se okose ye nsuo okotu galamse ase ye nsuo and I believe it's a core yes as or mine no sorry yentenase yehuni say Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council, Christian Council of Churches, faith based in India, this is the core obi a opese odi o man so challenge nti kwan be ne be fa so a ye betimi augment the government no no. I think say with this no o man ni nyina tumpo because at the end of the day no yenya ma ne atim yenya ma obanya dwuma ya banya dwuma ye obi so banya dwuma ya wonya dwuma ye ni move on but ye din na beto oba aban ne so a ye say onipa ba ko nsa itimi nkata nyame ani enti menua ye GDC association ye dwen ho na oka ye no ye da so say da ma bi ye association ye da so say da ma bi e ba de boa yen ya ye betimi asi factory a ye de baba Ghana ha ye beto ne din consent factory. What they say, die so. It was no cast as no. I say in Kuna may who said Debbie, and a young modern say, ye betting me, but ye a babua. I'm a young coupon Jumedi Akoso. Let's see, I'm for your full point, your full parents are bang. It will be a journey near Okacha Ombra, sorry, Krana, I am a man. I believe it's a wake up call for a Christopher, said ye beya, ye betting me. Abua government no amana tu empon e wo de opeso ye biem
Kwame anapeye dase
enso me damasinya
Kwame is far from Pon Yakazama former concerned clergy, a National Association of Concerned Clergy. Na I see. So as of one ewo bibi ewo omutrim. Se mrebi a Canada compare kon e Japan eye say and so for ne bimu ennyoma wo mo eye enye a oka ho asem ne nti no. Wo mo so ene no enya dwo nsem bi mo beka e de afa so for even if say a good cry. Okay, that is the thinking of the software. But as I come density natural mineral water. Density wo mo esse ensupano eniem. Density natural mineral water. You were 500 millimeters sachet, you were 19.5 liter bottles in Nibi. Ensure bain na wo panum. Would the Jumedia be a woody obey here and shoe was here, in Supano and one American for the amount. Density natural mineral water. But what now here, Chilaquine, our number 27 New Road, Tanasuman Road. And I'll be fraying 059660 4743 and 0208 466 256. So, we are wedding. Oh, your engagement, adoring a year. Do me the ben a woody, I'll be here and show us here a density natural mineral water. And I pay big family enterprise. Oh, and I may come for their mobias will be over an inch of Kokoto Nema. And near my this year, them, Madame, we and Nikari and Nij. Density natural mineral water you super and near my come once of the actual, but unya a big family, I swear, on Coco Hodia, Aish, and a bosom pa. Wenya eye biapa akwakujina a o kwakoton yema akosisi wo dem se unya eye big family enterprise wo mo shop wona wugina ho a ede na wankasa wo hia bo sampa wuntumi entwusu mpo entiko ho de na wo pede akosisi wo dem the big family enterprise to nsa dia frawo sebra wo mo ne ma no betumi atubi akokoton wo betumi sabo ha beto baako Womo ewo electrical appliances ahodo nyina bi a ebetumi ama efie aye anika fridge TV air condition ghetto blasters cylinders microwaves blenders sewing machines decoders and afi wallpaper and niema e disiesie efie ema efie aye anika ye woni nyina bi senchense abe no moduane carpet na ope ana se aye mattress blind curtains ye woni nyina bi ewo ya hwe sizes ahodo ene colors ni nyina Ubehuni ya wujunase Frames filling station yana na edi enumhwe. Ya wa nkrabata foforo a ya bie a ewa abrosan ya se Human Rural Bank ewo mu no. Eno ntifra ya 0243920371 ana 0244675960. Big family enterprise. Yes, a quality and affordability. Na maka ni say awie. Ena meka wo say Recof group of companies. Eyenyumako mako miensa ena she Recof ase. Yawo Queen Elizabeth supermarket. Hono mo se obeduru hono ma. Ye supermarket no yawo 2. Eye mienu. Yawo nea ye 2 niema ewo honom ena yawo de yanso obetumi aba ha beto baako bi. Ede akọ ofie. So what person would to niema ewa ya suya hono kokotonwa. Ye Queen Elizabeth Supermarket wholesale branch. Ye wholesale branch no ewa dwinase. Se you also taxi rank honom na GPRT station wo uduru honoma ubehunu ye ewa. Abrosan kesiye bisi honoma yensi emye ye. Abrosan nasi honom ena ubehu se Recover Construction Group of Companies, a Recover Group of Companies. Ye juma kwa ya tu nsa Queen Elizabeth Supermarket wholesale branch no ewo. Enti bra na niema bia wo so pe e de akwagu shop mu aton no bra Queen Elizabeth Supermarket ye wholesale branch. Ye san so ewo retail branch. Retail branch no wo de wunya hunu eye apa amamfi Ura Bank. Wo mo edan no achi. Eho no mo pe ubehu se eye Queen Elizabeth Supermarket ye retail branch no ewo ho. Ede na ope. Se ope eye zichire one cup bi ana se toilet lushini ana den. Wo de bra. Nia wo pe bia ubetu beto no mako ewo eho no. Eho no eye retail branch. Apa Amemfi Ura Bank nachi. Ye wo nkrabata hodro bebre. Ye will be our Kestal Junction, ye will be our Miam, ye will be our Penacro, Miam Yahudo Bibri. Inti Winya Ehuno a Queen Elizabeth Supermarket. Ye retail branch now, no border, no Jodi. So that's the make come for a Recover Construction and Trading in the amount of pay. Wahon so ba. A dance ye hunya menina anything construction. The right place. A Recover Construction and Trading. So ope cement, ope plumbing materials, ope air POP cement, and our tiles. A day na ope polytanks are holding in a ton in Nabi. I will Recover Construction and Trading. And I pay Queen Elizabeth Hotel, and also be a pono. There was a Huyoso. You were the finest hotel. I wore a hasi. Inti and I pay a hog now or more air ye. A hogwa o mbabel srasra dofo a hogwa a o mo so ebebedi o mujuma weekend yi mu a o mo epe ba bia dare nyina me kanfo eye Queen Elizabeth Hotel e de ama o mo nyinara 24/7 security o there was spacious car park there was a who also frying 0244878466 and 0534212702 anapay ye ba bi din komo but ma mfa we ntwam emresisia
Adia yapa ne se woni namfofo ahia na yaka asem a esre na wontimi nsire bi saa asem ya bi neto ebra na mese aye yellowish color bia onhu nani so kra yi me di toothpaste ahodo a wo bia se nya atwi mi se na mese entimi nya fita se de me pe no ko sisa madamfo bi a kire me Active Point Dental Clinic na bra me duru ha na me hu se me haw no to nyina atwa do hwere ba ko pentem mese na aye fita yi se metimi sere e wo ba bia meko bia obi bia nso wo medical condition bia amana nya yellow teeth brown teeth and a green teeth no Active Point Dental Clinic ewo hu nimdia won betimi ama o se no asan ye fitaa biem wo san wo teeth whitening home kit and a medicated foam toothpaste teeth whitening pen and betimi dia mo akofie na wakoto aso ayusu hwehwe Active Point Dental Clinic ewo danyame omo be ultimate FM nchen ho a oboase Dunkwa Junction 9 miles kwan no so sunwane OA bus terminal omni Cocoa House dinche mu search gina se GPRT market ho self filling station inside and afre 032239680 and 0554571779 Active Point Dental Clinic. Get a whiter teeth in just a day.
Amam for send ye be ye form ne ye kwaye betina na ewiem nsakra ye nso so na presinti na GCFRP any red plus de enable jumade abremo titru ema wona sebe wedi dem emebunu eni to kotna for no metre migrants esese ye na ye de ye ho hye na ye die nua na ye boye kwaye ho banya so mfaso intimese obi anua bi ni ye ya obi anua bi ye mo ye kwaye
Attorney General and Shoda are working for one republic, one Ghana.
The Enable initiative is proudly sponsored by GCFRP and Red Plus.
Okay, abusia yakwaba na mema wuntie assembly na ayese the office of the special prosecutor openia oda wo bona ye yewura kisi ajaben oya kasa dodo He's speaking too much. And they say, Adeakye say, and they say, Adeakye say. Nan say now the baby two ja wo chire mu say you rakano for Riata. Ye nyina ye wo Ghana ha. Ena papa yi. Ye to aba wie na okra ye no tu ne kwan. Besi ne omai. Wa kan sema hodo. So kwan bia so me de ne beba. Kwai bia so mama na ba bedru Ghana ha sei na emra no ene no ako ahye. Nanso besi ne sa promise na kisi ajaben emeki ontumi enfulfill ena kasa bebre se wa kasa akobo na nado dan kwakufu adokwa kwadu wodi etie kisi ajaben ewia na edi nkomo.
OS must and we would always work together with Attorney General. Attorney General in turn should hold our hands. We are working for one republic, one Ghana. The main perpetrator from our standpoint, the main perpetrator had no intention of returning back to the country. Of course, he had left the country earlier in the year during the transition. Now we should place this in proper context because we've attracted some flag that why did we allow him to go? Mr. He left before 7 January. Between first, I know there's that date, but I'm not going to mention it. All I'm saying is between first and 6th January, he had left. Who was in power during those few days? And we don't control the airports. We don't control the exit. The OSP doesn't control the exit points. But we are taking flag day in and day out. Why did we allow him? Let me put it this way. His cousin was president. Let's face facts.
Yeah.
Before John Dramani Mahama was sworn in on 7 January, Nana Akufo-Addo was the president.
Yeah.
That was his cousin. He had kept him in the office for more than 7 years. I said when he left, the president was Nana Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
At the time he left, we were not getting the cooperation at the time from other security agencies.
You weren't getting any cooperation?
No, we're not.
You had asked for them?
Oh, we asked for all that, but we were not. It was as if there was a policy of block the OSP out. That was what we were facing, and that was the circumstances under which we were being expected to perform. I think I've complained about these things over national security. Nope. At the time, the situation is different now. National Signals Bureau, nope. At the time, the situation is different now. National Intelligence Bureau, zero. At the time, the situation is different now. I mean, the security setup was stacked up against the OSP, so we will not be able to perform our job. This was the situation in which we found ourselves. And I'm being asked how I let Ken Oforiatta through this.
For him to...
No, we didn't watch him leave. We were powerless. That is the truth. We were powerless. We saw him leave, but we couldn't prevent him from leaving at the airport because we couldn't. Now we can rely on Ghana Immigration Service to block someone. Now we can rely on national security.
Before then you couldn't.
To block someone. Then, and at the time he left, you call up immigration, no one will even bother to respond to you. You write to immigration, no one will even bother to respond to you. And I'm saying this unabashedly. That was the situation we found ourselves in. Once again, before we put him on the Interpol Red Notice, we know he left the state on 1 or 2 occasions. But we believe he's in the state. And we know the area in which he lives. The person lives in the United States. Kisia Jabin, Office of the Special Prosecutor, even the Ghana Army. We can't just go into the US, spring him up and bring him. That is what Ghanaians need to understand.
And
we
that is
are
what,
going through a certain very tedious extradition process. to bring him back.
What did some-
That's why I said. That's why I was joking about it. That if he lived in Agbogba, I would have. He'll be with us as we are speaking. But since he is in a foreign country, I cannot put a date on it. And even then, the central authority in respect of extradition matters in the U.S. could decide one thing. The president of the United States can step on it and block it and say no. You get it. So far as he is in the United States of America, we cannot put a date on it that we are bringing him today, we are bringing him tomorrow. That will be foolhardy.
Okay. Entinia woti ni yewura Kisia Jabin. So, Kisia Jabin is telling you and I just don't understand it. It beats my imagination. Kisia Jabin is telling you and I in the face that we are stupid. Yes. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo was president then. At that time that Ofori-Atta left Ghana. But Ofori-Atta wrote to Yemame. I've forgotten of her name. Yemame and now Oye chief of staff. Ken Ofori-Atta can't just wake up and leave. Any government official obetro to that woman. I've forgotten of her name. The chief of staff then. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo's era. And that time, Kisia Jabin between on the 1st of January to the 7th of January that Ken Ofori-Atta left. That time now you were transitional period no emu. So the transition team, I know for sure they will be written to. So if Ken Ofori-Atta yɛtwerɛ kɔma ɛyɛ the transition team ɛma ɔmo nso accepte na ɔno nso ɛdi free mu a, what is the problem with Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo? Again, yɛmfa no sɛ Ken Ofori-Atta akɔ akɔtena wo ɔkɔ wo se saa time no na wo twerɛ krata ɛkɔma security agencies ne nyinaa obia emfiu. This time the system is working. Then it wasn't working. And nti wo twerɛ krata kɔma obia emfiu because Ken Ofori-Atta ne nua ɛne Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ne wɔfa ne Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo kuro ya no san so ɛde tumi ɛhyɛ wo nsɛsɛ fa di dwuma. And what are you telling us? One I will share Ghana for bo. Say opanino baby or shebi a wode ne beba. Amanaba be face mrano. After you are telling us that you are facing difficulties in bringing him. Wonim baby ani pa no wo. Wonim baby ani pa ne nam. So Ghana ha no wo agbogba ana owo Teshia ene nka betumi amoa no anyhow. But because it's all American, you cannot do the things you are supposed to do. So Ghana had ene nka betumi amoa no, but owa you can't moa the person. You know it. So you knew say won to me emfa no te say wo fa nwa e wa American fa no magana. But now we promise it. And I say, here we are, you are now telling us. And you want to know ya obegina ha ka kire yen Ghana for say Ken Ofori-Atta o bo no kwadu. Was in November ya wo mu ya o be bo no kwadu, you will charge him. Last month now can't ask him. This month you look at what you are saying. The inconsistencies are too much. Right now, after there, what free more you are blaming Nana Addo, you are blaming security. This man, let me rest my case. And I pay you in Komoi 0536304072 03222639. 0536304072 0322296342 ɛyɛ ahoma a yɛde ɛdi nkɔmmɔ anapa yi mintie wadwenkyerɛ ɛwɔ nkɔmmɔ yɛ nyinaa ho nea wate nyinaa wo so wadwenkyerɛ no anapa yi ɛno ne sɛn. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Daniel, my mintie anapa yi.
Nyamishira pa Kayaso. Anope de mamintia as the Kasamwa word. I need 212. Kayaso. In fact, you might be cross on my anymore. What you call special prosecutor. What were they? I hear you man or buy what to me. And so, man, the bottom work out. Well, yam tell can wash them. Yan Sam Patana young worker. Maybe qua F. Pamono. Because Najuman son or buy and Timmy Winnie Cassidy can be a mechanic young people. Now, so Obi could disika, Mima Nibio. Inti Yanchis and Panaso. The young empire Befaso. Yes, Ramahama. Once a campaign promise, you know. So, dear Chila, a bear boniama, 18 I say, Baumia delegate Yankano, or no bar, or them Marabaya Juma, not prepared yet. Aquaso may only a mayajuma.
Daniel, I'm assuming that's it. And then what the hour the banner pay 0536304072 0322296342. And I pay ye ninkomai. Also, so why don't you and some man pay? Media go at the amount. Why don't you know anything? 0536304072 0322296342. And I pay. Let me hear you. Now, ASMP. I just don't get it. Mr. What frame me phone so mean to me if I won't call a mama or line, say fresh. Indeed, says I line over her own fresh. Now frame a line so Mr. I can't pick you on air. Why? Good morning. I just say, Mpacho Mamintio.
Yo, Mammy, I quite a many.
Mamma Yakwan Casa. Hello, Mamma Yakwan. Aha, Casa Miti.
Say, I saw no. Nti asole bi te se de wo mo ka so wo ko si prison no so mo betunye edie enuma ama youth na nya bia ya eye wo ma hyede nti papa no ka wo ya on ka abone no kwa asem pefe no wo.
Okay, mama nya kwa me da se ena wo so adwenche 0536304072 0322296342. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Kayaso.
Yes, sir. Ja udini wasem.
Yo, Kayaso, Mr. Kofi, he said, "Attention."
Oh, be a paying, what's that? Maleso.
Na mechia, near much a my day, Mishina. Na near with Trebin, na Oshebedi. Na what was even when you were 2 years. Yeah, and my hole. My share 2 and 2, one as the Catamobody, Eki Obasanjo. Na Kuseja Ben, boy, Nayo. Send here, MPP in a sort of way. I will chair ET a behavior grassroots, Baba, to finish the 2. But I hear what petty here, and I thank you, and yes, for Pusta Bumbachi. We do for options were petty bar, Bobby Philip, Timo for 1 by the Sadamba before. If you could say, Jabin Nahabi, I got my chamber to uncle money. They actually grab another pass off for your mind. Tell the Kusa Jabin to do boy, it's almost no answer, but that way a press conference. CJ Obre. Where Sebon, even Virgin, a Jew would maybe for me, Attorney General, or Flip and Ongo. What office he was the before with you? Eating the among of Pocoya, he has some what here. And Dr. Muhammad Baumi, and much a booty to me, Chamesha.
Okay. Thank you. 0536304072 0322296342. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Hello?
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Mpacho Udini was a boy.
Oh, Pacho is very good, but I'm going to say preaching.
All right, Mr. Bonakasa. Hello? Gordon Bona.
So, Yeah, make DC, yes. Make ammonia, yes, honorable ammonia, Chianaman wine. So, Papa, I now ban and a piece of war. Yana, you want some crab. Say Pentecost, I saw it, Physical war, I saw you war. O mighty man, you be if you are say, and our mining pole, pleasing. It is a sky, you come with the beer, Juma. Ana sa akurabi ana obi koye bia senta krono no banka hono tableki emfanen ko prison but we see prison the church of Pentecost me say papa Pentecost of pa panyi pa ne ba so bra godin me papa we kronfo na me say adian sa na go me papa mi hu adwuma a woye so papa bra papa wo skapa me so mi hu papa adwuma a woye iti papa adwuma na woye na ye kro no adwuma ne ba be ma na o ka kire me Pentecost panyi pa ba mi timi bodi so fo panyi iti omo haye so fo opoku nyina ukọ adwuma ya ni kuro adwuma u fi ni kuro na akọ bi kuro bla sika papa yi chama ye bema ni de ho ewiase nyina papa sika wonya ye eso ko adwuma de ko sede abusia etimo tin na ya so fo ma
on council 0536304072 Good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
Kayaso, Papa Kumasimi, also.
All right, Papa Kumasi, you.
Kayaso, I pay only liberty for 18 years. Now, my main fan no come. Western of Regional Coordinator, Dr. Baumia campaign, Chairman Benjamin Williams. Body building, but you'll be a Kayaso from Jinkano. Manning chair, my boss, Abia, Sifa Prota. Or boy, Jimason, Koname, Inshana. I mean, or chief winner. Now, another pay, Neko wants the man I will can to be no. And say, my time, the Tomon common so back, okay, cinema, and news the attendee at Papadia washing the year, and then I don't know some kind of.
Men can't be bisa into to what I have told my people, no, say, when then what they know will distract and divert my attention.
Okay, I mean, more so for certain.
Meet you.
This is a wake up call, a very good wake up call. Okay, said yes, for and I say, sorry, I say establish it, or Ghana, Sika, more schools or movie. Na say obi kajam say movie ejuma and say a step in the right direction. Inti the bebu sre na aso for na say sorry so this I think we are quite jim. No between ya bibi e di aboa e mabunu na e wo san sorry man ke boy. Ninia e mabunu da bia yesu say ni ejuma na kwa sorry o. Hiti e ko ba say ka sorry so e ye bibi di aboa mabunu na akanya bia e boni. Ninia
all right. Also, when I'm mentioning Papa Kumasi, ma yenhwena yenkoye ni mai. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, I'm Pacho Udin Wasem.
Pacho Osuya.
Osuya, I'm in Tiana Pay.
Yes, sir. Money to my palm way away. Nishiramo. Nam Pesami, Chema Takra. The Okan, Canadian, Yamishan, Papa. And then my free education more university in Yegman. Namang some Pentecost, but I am a team in Papa. Massa, Pentecost come on, do not carry room, Catholic Cornish Casa. Almost your own could see projector and our father, and I'm the could see prison. It's your moon chairman from Google prison. I'm putting the secretary. I'm you, Oba Pentecost or Emma Wall, so that first you can read into. It's me that created the past, Papa, come over future, young can't tell her. Now, Pentecost Musika, Massa, Missy Payfono. You have a business room. More and Jamuche Sikayan, Madame Shomudi, no members in bread, Omoko ye, Momoka, free, no Makaba, no members ye, bring you money. Watch on your Misham, Casana,
Emma Obunfu, Mr. Medasi. Ma memfa last caller na memfa AC ewa 0536304072 0322296342. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Kayaso.
Ajam Pacho Wooding.
Wakwala wa beto da servitanos we ka de fun your continue.
Ebeto da kasa.
Ano power boy juma. Mamenchia chama eswa boni broni bebi obi amechia na mcheze kasa mo bodu ne 212 and Dr. Mamadou Baumia. Kayaso da bia ye pejuma ne de kwasha aban. And aban my juma. But ye tin solid dem a hwe ye wa solid bi wo ho a asole ni bi wo se baby anka Liberty FM we ni asa bie bi wo se baby a ahemfie no wo no kuro ba ko so itimi si asole dan ba miensa e wo se kuro ni so abra obi awie university eti se kuro ni obi o ye clean asole wa de be tia mo makwa asole no ono popa nkonwa no ye bibia ba se ni pa awie university agati asole betimi aboa no ma na koye adwuma bi no no so atimi abebu asole mani bi no no titi wo no otwen aban na asole fo ne so ti wo because asema wa ka no emodu pa nyame nchira eno wadwene pa wo magana mani sefiman oni nyame nyadwuma.
Okay, also one nyame entena ebeto da. Mede besi ewa ha yemfa ofrefo bia bia da ofrefo ne nyina ase de obi adwonkyere ode ba no pe yemfa se fa God is able enterprise. God is able enterprise esem kan so makofa akuafo agenkwa organic fertilizer e de abadwa so. Eno nti okua ni bia nkonkogye bi. Ope eye POP materials and so say cement and then the fiber. Therefore, ni actually God is able enterprise. Omo ewo se wi also juna si abase. We bet me from 0245648889 and 0557791530. Saranso ena anape agarafa herbal mixture. Womo edi no pan dia badwa so sisi na yawo ya. Wonum na to ntumi ni di typhoid fever, air, malaria, ulcer, syphilis, gonorrhea and afi menstrual pains. Wunya bi na ononoma ebetu ni nyina ase ama ho ato. Agarafa herbal mixture. Enre ya mienu yawo red ne yawo green na red no bu adwuma mema na green so bu adwuma tsoba eti positive and negative obi ama nsanka bi agarafa herbal mixture wonu mo sampa osofpani ena ye adro nti onyame ensa ewo nti onyame ene oyaresa fo nso ampa dodo bi a petu bi a frɛ 0242024840 and 0249749797 drugstore bi na pharmacy ana say bia eto adro bia ko hodma wonsa ebeka adro bi sara nso ena anopai KIT solutions se men kan show so wo laptop ne ho atochima wo desktop no system nditi nso ho atochima o de fa ne nyina abedan eye KIT solutions ye besiesie e de ama anything IT wo de ba eye KIT solutions a de be ne nyina e de ama e bia phone no so ekura ne ho atochima bra ye besiesie e de ama o pe phone foforo pa nso so a oba obenya bi e wo ya so ye laptops ahodo nyina nso ye ton bi phone be na ape say eye iPhone your iPhone XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 14, Samsung, Infinix, Tecno, and all kind of phones. You will need be our KIT solutions. We will need our ASA you also Junasi. GPI to abroad sign on. A sort of and I will. Your name Malcolm Idianimshe. You're buying big brain. Fred 0245 404140. A K number into Fra K Nankasa. Ebefa na nkomo bia ohobia no odo ebedi and it's time for sports but yeah the question for today ebema your question for the day no just simple but the one sida nyina enko ema Rock East guest house what aroma e na pay wo mo the question abase mimisa wo na mibisa question na ebedi kan akọ ama prof ene bukati wo mo ntwa na maba wo ho and I'll be back after this one. The best guest house in town, Rock East Guest House, where friends gather and memories see. They serve good food, cold drink. From sunshine to sunset, we are open wide. With 7 smiles, with 7 pride, all that you need. Rock East Guest House, your restaurant, spacious car park, 24/7 security, conference rooms. kama, and it's your home away from home. Rock East Guest House, where hospitality wears a crown. Come and experience, and you will come back again. Barbering Salon or Rock East are your favorite there. Rock East, where every day is a great day. We go to Rock East Guest House. Aniam Quantum Porno so flow so 0540-536618. Rock East Guest House is where every day is a great day. Ebradunie Bugatti Omenche wa hano pay saranso na prof ewa ha Professor of Sports Professor Dawood every year oye Ambassador Emma Rock East Guest House. Prof, good morning.
Good morning, boss.
Apom.
Yamiadem bakora also.
You
say minye Dr. Fee Honko.
Mate.
Because Rockies in me sheda
na say Dr. Fee wo me nko ho. Rockies me nko ho. Kona was me de ko na me
mfa me nko.
Yes, na me mako ho.
Say say unless say until se me ko ho no. Me nyanye ambassador bi mfa mo.
Yo. Nti edi enam prof.
Me mpa ho biem.
Obwa.
David.
Udini ya tro da ho.
Me mpa ho.
Nti aka Umpio ya tro ebo ho. Prof.
Me mpa ho.
Prof meat joint ebo ho.
Omo mfa me nko ba bi foforo.
Dabi.
Ba onle se.
Dabi.
Onle se me kwhwe.
Ehwa na wotare.
Ba mo to nam no.
Ehwa bi om to nam.
Ana hu sadodo.
Ehwa na
wusu. Wusu sa wo ho.
Ehwa na wuchusu.
Man hwe ne ye.
Ehwa na wuchusu ye. Ehwa. Buga.
Bosses of the bosses.
Good morning.
Morning, boss.
Na pomo e.
Na me adom boss bibi ekwem so so here. Yeah.
Bia bosu na frase ye do na ma niema ye bibi.
Hadwen papa.
I didn't know.
Hadwen
pa. SMP. Also the other side, maybe I know you.
Maybe I know.
I'm just saying you are fine. That's what God is so to
Apetampe.
Oh yes, story now so.
Watch the word.
Oh yeah, that's how. See.
Watch the word.
It's a be any better.
Oh, watch the word.
Oh, bed needs to be musical because
I'm Paul.
Oh, and I saw with the
everybody say
me and say you know what. Oh, do I know my chum? You know they made me.
You say king kwa.
What are you king kwa?
Oh,
David what dear.
King kwa.
David
also the John Awesome.
Watch the word.
Yaba.
Yes, Miss Maba.
Assemble one.
What's up of file na biem. But the men queen you do say na Sunday morning. Na now say ye child ye be cause am no kana.
So one twa.
Say e no ka say ye twa kwa de be call.
Ana wo twa ye.
Ye ne ye twa ase ko.
No ye be say ka de ensem.
See da be mpa ni be call. Rockies kono wana.
Rockies.
Mo ka say nwam kwan so ya.
Nwam kwan so ya.
Na teacher
try yes ya.
Asame kra.
Yenko mra e ba na be question.
Yanko
Rockies Malaysia e ba na
okay and Yanko Rockies there. Rockies Guest House.
You said you are printing now.
Say Rockies Guest House.
Okay.
And where your accommodation or deserve be bia da obenya bi wo ho. Opeduane dia restaurant papa e wo ho. Ye wo bar. Yes, I our conference hall. A house go betimi abaye meetings ahodo gina e wo ho. Say wako baby na pese wo siesie wo tiri ho anse wako fie. Wonya de wani chire Rock East Guest House.
Okay.
Den nyina e kama. Enti Rock East the occasion bia party bia o de for wani chire hodom. Ubenya baby.
There no no problem.
Ye wo eye anwem kwantempon no so. Wo betimi afra yen. 0540-536618. Rock East Guest House is a where every day is a great day. Anapay yehwe na my question for today. Buga
boss
bibia da ye
boss e kwan da hopa problem be and oh yes bibia da na kwan yes ni hukra
but monim dada any some mama rules of the game obey ya in 10 terms no why
me ba to me kwadun so aba
bye bye
say okay akwaran kwade no
nya no
obi en tell me
boy say fun e to ya fun to ade ndia ya ne ana ye
babuga ene empesi atwa
ne ye kwade
ene se test ye listeners
okay
ye say phone enkwayo enkwa ene ya nkasa ya nse ye ye say test ye listeners say
so ma bia
yes so ma bia
tiembe se bi twa
yes okay
To me who question no.
Enti Bugatti ene prof sesia de omo edwane.
Enye si
edwane. No David. Sometimes it be anya ni sa.
Wa masa wonim.
Boss ye twa wo be for tomorrow.
And the questions then can simple.
Ya hu sa.
Ya hu be self pa that.
Anoma.
Aha.
The brof din.
Aha. Anoma brof din.
Say.
Ah.
The bed.
Yeah.
Okay. So what was your frefro? Aboa ben ena na koma miensa.
Aboa okura akoma miensa.
Which animal has 3 hearts? 3. Mato me Bible no mu.
Aboa okura akoma miensa.
Ai.
Eye ponko.
Boss na wo say anoma ho asem na wo kan ya na.
Maybe some question. Which animal has 3 hearts?
Akoma miensa.
Akoma miensa say
say anoma na bro for the friend.
Yes
sana me kan.
We say ye ponko.
What ka wo dey? Buga, what answer ne say?
Ponko America.
Boss, we so simple and short. Ponko.
America ponko.
What bro flies it?
What say ponko? Boss, no colon jelly.
Who say what they ponko?
The same thing apply to me.
Ponko.
Ponko boss.
Ponko.
Ponko.
Okay. Once again, which animal has 3 hearts?
Promise ponko na buga say ponko.
Ponko boss.
All right. Okay. Bugatti answer. But na say
as ya pain do.
PT.
Oh, PT.
The phone I say.
PT.
And the phone I say.
PT say. Question we be say we be try.
So we be try kwa dia.
PT.
It's PT and I want to hear from you. Which animal has 3 hearts?
Okay.
Na say ya kan we see.
Is that also what they ponko?
Me ya ponko da
ponko.
Do what they ponko. And also they
ponko.
Okay.
Yes.
Yanko fa gudu.
Abobi ni wiase.
Abobi ni wiase.
Na to me kesi na mabre.
Na kuma ya miensa.
Oso no price ya na mabro di America.
All right. And then I'm call to the phone line. 0536304072.
Yeah, chat.
0536304072. 0322296342. Hello, good morning. Mpacho Udin. Coach Brenya. All right, Coach, it I'm into. Dog. Okay, no problem. Also answer Eddie and no send a dog. Which animal has 3 hearts? Good morning.
Good morning.
Mepacho Udin. Aja Mensa, your answer. Tortoise. Okay. That is also your answer. Correct. Which animal has 3 hearts? Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good evening.
Emmanuel.
All right, Ima. Maminti. Octopus. Okay, yeah. Ima, thank you. Mamin for overall has way. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Oh, okay. I'm here we are. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, Afiko. Yes, sir. Okodie. Eagle. Okay. Last caller. Ma memfa odonso so ewa. Which animal has 3 hearts? Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacha udin. Huh? Okay. Eye ponko. Okay, yo. Eti nipa mako enum. I've gotten them here. And me the basic memfa of refobia ebiem. Na Yankwe answer for today. Buga. It's saying which animal has 3 hearts?
Profonia. Nya pongona.
Ponko shasi ho.
Which
but don't say.
Oh, just answer that thing and let's go. Which animal has 3 hearts?
Oma octopus.
That is the correct answer.
And oma cockroach. ene boy
na cockroach no na kuma me yesa da dem pede
ono
oni ahode ba
oni cockroach no sa stubborn aboa no ekura akuma biensa enti o ye stubborn sa no cockroach
na kuma 3
Octopus is correct.
Ena omame etwem.
No.
Oh boss, on say.
Oh men kahe.
But say the cre.
Me ahi na wo boy.
Me na. Me dey here.
Octopus is correct.
Yeah, octopus.
What dey here octopus?
Yeah, octopus.
Octopus. Boss, octopus.
Octopus. Okay, all right. Okay. So the answer for today is octopus. Yam fancy I say. Mamenda aya Bugatti ase. Na menna aya prophecy. Mosi na monka ho. Mamenwe. Atamansomafu. Enso wa ha. Atamansomafu. Ode maminti atamafu. Oside. Ajamanso, good morning. Oh, atamafu we nyina so. Okay. Ode manso sa o. Atamafu manso sa. Octopus. That is the correct answer. Atamafu ha o de mama minti ajamanso. Atamanso mafu.
Good morning.
O Johnson chana what to say?
No, you school.
School. Okay.
But I mean I'm trying I probably Brian Manu, me na answer correct.
And I understand that they go for Brahima.
Huh?
I understand that they go for Brahima.
Let's say beat you.
I on one can the voice can we say on one. You name the voice no.
If you don't answer correct, but me rock east.
You have a rock east. No problem, you have a rock east. Hey, Atamafu ain't correct. Or say a octopus. And the answer is octopus.
Yeah.
Yes. Edi say
but the thing is, boss,
you haven't answered me.
What's
say one can
and
no one can
it may come my listeners. Or say,
yes,
you were examples on octopus and a can
octopus
and on my and more baby.
The answer is octopus.
It was so many who say, and one be one almost to quarter hat. And octopus on Qua, and you was some animals here, almost to quarter hat.
May say. Octopus is the right
yes,
answer.
Okahu
is the right answer. Octopus, the right answer. And mua kuma miensa. The octopus is the aboa na kuma miensa.
It we are seeing around kuana wa kuma miensa.
So kuana o the prof.
Prof also.
Okay. And Dawood.
Mina me Dawood free there me kuana who.
Thank you. Ejana bi asidan come Rock East Guest House. One of my day Jumadi Edebro, the segment it's a question for the day. Critical thinking. And I pay Emrai. Then I'm going to go for a good day. Prof.
Boss.
Okay. And it's time for sports.
Buga! Octopus, boss. You see, answer be octopus. So ya boy, so moja blue.
Yes.
I have you.
Moja blue.
Wow. Octopus.
Yes.
No, very bad. Very bad.
Also, you've learned about the octopus.
Oh, yes.
And you've come to the realization, say, octopus moja a blue.
On something Nika say,
thank you.
And this time, said, nah, Bibi Abe octopus now, Cornam said, thank you. Octopus. Nakuma 3. Then you boys know what there's some bruise. Long distance.
Then tomorrow, we'll do something about Bonsu. So go learn about Bonsu. Yes.
And what I
and you know,
Messi Bonsu.
And I know about
Bonsu. Mama,
James Wada Bonsu.
Bonsu
nipa di we
Bonsu.
W abonye enye
almost have any bonsu.
You have any bonsu. And one no. Hey, densu nsuo.
Sa
Reverend densu. Ana refi. Endi enne Bugatti asen a kire yan de. O say octopus.
Octopus ya.
Akoma ye 3 and
moja ye blue.
Moja ye blue. And also know my questions mo say Bugatti amayaka. Ntimi mi sabi.
Say about Chelsea support. Or support Chelsea.
Edi aboa ni moja eye blue.
But say on shall anya common sir.
Octopus me say aboa ni moja eye blue.
octopus.
Octopus.
Yeah. Yeah, one sansu ninkase. Ana meboa.
Ninkase. Yeah.
Ne se uso no no apecha na. Ba o mi da, o we physical da.
Posenai.
See ye
Posenai.
Mo
octopus.
It's nam.
Opa, octopus.
Oh yeah, me water can
yes,
ni bonnet yeah.
Awurade akopon. And then bebrebe wa jom nyina octopus mo bombo we.
Na koma ye 3. Ni moja ye blue. Kase ni mu owo nema bebre. Octopus.
And your Tefra department.
Tefra wo kase.
Tefra.
Yes.
Ba ku bi ha adwin pa no ko china papa no matwen. So your stop one.
Oh say ene PTA wa ma o.
Da PTA de.
Oba ya nso ama o.
Ya waje po se
wa. Ya kwa de se ni phone call dia che.
Ubisa se na ma konto na. Ya waje. So say na mo na ma konto.
Oba ya se ad ni mo ayedi.
So oba ya de e ba se nipa yare. Eni ono de nipa ho akwa.
They say yes. So me so betwa ni nka bi.
Yale ho nsem. Ono de yale ho nsem ko oba ya. Ya hunu.
Okay, boga.
Boss ni.
Ma menya bu mamo. Ana pe yemfa agode mu nsem no emfa ma etiefo no pe. Thank you.
Alright, abusia ene Thursday enti yemfa kudemu nsam no emfam no awtwibode su ene pa tidbit no ana ya tie padem de chense na awia anya tie abepa sense ene Thursday ene Thursday se tu saltam na nas ayese mi man ko so peria ye fe abusia peni afapo ena abusia fo betrase na omoti twimode no enso tibe pantenya ene tie tesenomie no aye PM post so petiba pa e telepointe ye tetewo enso temao na enema nso teme kama enwo game set timi totwa na enwo na nyansa nketwa kran enwo something UEFA aye Champions League na aye perform something enso teme trafi ehye kama kwa aye Villarreal omunso bayin temiante yenya timam ye fa Carabao Cup king gomni Chelsea temno akopo 2-2 draw enwo na anwo teyepa etuba bi na Chelsea tafo be kabino nya Chelsea timite ana pantia ye fa aye Ganeto ekote kano tima ye fe Chelsea Chelsea ehye kamenu tima ye fe Carabao Cup anasen tima yembre aye Carabao Cup king omuso timi she kamino na yenya tima ye fe ayes enso timi anshemi ama pobokwa ye fe aye Galatasaray ene omo fom ye pa ene South Galatasaray tim na wotim sende be koyin enso temamo apontia ye fe ni aye Chelsea Victor Osimhen apprentice from Tematima ye aye Galafuna anu die pa wo mo hye ekapolo pomiensa ama yes tim no enso temiante na Benfica enso temianshemi ama Bayer Leverkusen akopom ye kabako ye nya kampo wo mo hye kamensa ama MC Barca enso hye ekamensa we aye Keman anu etimi totwa Inter hye kamensa aye Karata Mati enso timi bako eno Manchester City say omo form wo mo che Tottenham empoma e kanen ama Tottenham team no enso temo bako we aye games here enu aye UEFA aye Champions League no etumi to twara mte wansam no enso dama e twumade so ma entwete pren ene Bayern Munich team he say Arsenal enso form eti and the 4 games ya paro ye won 3 teams ya o ma win down 4 games ina Bayern Munich womo ewo 12 points enso Arsenal etosumino womo ewo 12 points ye benya team of Inter Milan womo so tosumiasa womo ewo 12 points enso ye benya Man City womo tosunai womo 10 points PSG tosu enum womo ewo 9 points ye benya team ye fe Newcastle United womo etosu ensia womo ewo 9 points enso ye benya Real Madrid womo etosu enso womo so ewo 9 points ye penye Liverpool teno womo etoso enwotwe womo so ewo 9 points enti enedian we aye teams ya ene say ya bo group stage na wi a womo so petimi akwalefa automatically womo so petimi akomo playoff no ye penya Galatasaray onu etoso enkro ye penya Tottenham wotoso eto FC Barca etoso etubako Chelsea teno etoso etumino aye supporting CP womo toso etumiasa aye Tottenham etoso etunai Carabao FK wotoso etunum ye penya Atalanta wotoso etusian ye penya Atletico Madrid wotoso etoso P A Fiam, Etoso and 2 and 1 thing. Ye Penya Monaco, Watoso and Tunkro, Adjun 20, Ayatima, ye Fem Perforce MC, ye Penya Pobaqua, ye Fed Ayatesen, Adjenubako, Ayam Bayan Levacosi, ye Penya Krapu, Wamutos of Jerumenon, and Ayat 22, Wamuso Etoswap. What him say yes, sir? Anime Koyi Enso Timamo, ye Penya Enter Frankfura, almost Etoson, 823, ye Penya Tima, ye Fenopoli, Etos 824, 80 way. Hey, Timsia, and let's say a bar, almost so petty me come up for the animals to me come out. Now, and this year, one comes to bet me from your penny Olympic Timase, your penny Timan, your trophy, your penny Atletico Pepao, your penny Union San Calosa, your penny Timan, your firm Porto Camptino, your penny Serafia Praga, your penny Tima, your Olympiacos and Villa Red, one performance from 4 games of Mopo, or more just a point, 1 point, and then Cofoy Awo, your Penya Copega, your Penya Carata Martin, and Benfica, 4 games of Benfica Poro, or Marusunina, Ayas and so the same thing, almost 4 games, almost 20 Alusunina, where a Timan, you have Ayas at the UEFA, I am Personical, where a Kakran, and from Parmesan Wasamo, and so Tamao, I will to Madius another pain, and a Senate and the first 8 teams almost automatically only team qualifying. I could run on 16, 18 from Ayatesen. I had 9th position. I could see I had 24 position. Almost so pay to me playoff and Samba. Your team and your teams here. Almost so pay to me qualifying. I could run on 16. Name I have 4 games and I say I come more games here. Your purpose say anyone so pay to me come on. No people so to pay. Where you answer and some can. The full permit was some and so take to job. I will to money swap and answer get on. About here, you have Victor Osimi, and the 4 UEFA. I am Champions League games. I am Timan. You have Galatasaray almost 20 minutes. Appointed and Swati Mini. I just say I am Mount Tamacha. May patcher you ready for so with my phone at time. Now, upon here, you have Victor Osimi. What just 3 months of the match, and yes, and Keton, what Tim San pay for myself, and you make 1 Kayapan, and Timona, and yes, and Keton and General International. What Tim Saniman, and so to me, Equay, and so to Mekayan. I am Tima, you have Galatasaray. And to leave for Potemo, and shall my puncher, your firm Victor Osimi, and your man of Tamacha, and what the same Tanima, and so 80 coin, and so tomorrow, then chase the Temo, and the Pomo Quad, your first Ayaka Park of King, the first time at Chelsea, I think Kofui, Chelsea Pomia Cassia, Aman Kofui and Timiante, the second time, Chelsea Conco for home, Chelsea Compomia Cannon, a moment Timiante, a quiet 2 draw, 80 Chelsea Temron. Say perform now compared to a 2 games here. Boy against man. You find Crown Park FK and many Campia and so petty Miache. You have top scorers today. And our point here, you find Victor Osimi. What other Rodicay? And we wait for 10 person, over 6 goals. Oh, you Penya Hurricane. But Tosimino, 1 source of 5 goals here. A point here, you have Ferry Ayatase, Alain Blahaland, 1 source ultimation. I have 5 goals. Oh, you Penya Kiden Papi, 1 goals here. A point here, you have Marcus Stoffel, and so Tibias 5 goals, and so on. It says 5-5-5-4. And it says, top scorers. I will fa I am person came to was some and so teatuka I will to money so anya sanketwa na any say unwani chama and you were a Europa League games and so and then games in torso 80 ya pena ya ibi mu enso tamao na ya tresa tenema enso pete mi akọ sanse ene se okwa wotim say yes anwante enso awata particular aye tournament aye tresen be bienso pete mi akama on say after sen Yampo aye UEFA aye Champions League games on Tuesday on Wednesday enso we are diakam enso aye chese Europa League on Thursday I was say timi total na enema enso timi akama Thursday Yentre Kemsia, a prototype, your penny tima, your friend Posse, Romney Pomokwa, your friend MCSP, at your peponi, Dynamo Zakep, Emerson Pomokwa, your friend Serta Vico, your penny MC Midland, Romney Satek at your peponi, MC Sas Becca, Omni Go Ahead Eggs, and so your peponi, MC Utrecht obdi pomokwa ye FC Porto enso te pepani eti Kempston Toso ye penya Mamo FF wamni Panathinaikos ye penya Nice omni timan ye Freiburger enso te pepani aye Storm Glass ebe shatima ye Nottingham Forest omuso te pepani Aston Villa ebe shema Capital V ne omuso te pepani ye penya Bologna wamni Blanc eti pepani Ferencvaros ebe shatima ye Ludogorets na omuso te yantam so ye penya Rangers omni eye soba ye penya Real Betis omni Lyon enso te pepani games in Edson ye penya Stuttgart omni Feyenoord enso te pepani Victoria Plzen ebe share for a party na omuso te yantam so aye Conference League games enso ho 80 Sai games enso tos ye pa MC no amoni atate 80 games no ana monsham so for say and UEFA Champions League no enso team say team to gano and aye Conference League enso the Europa League games and a petimi antota metewa sam enso tamon I tuma de su ene na pai na me ya tuma ene se empo no mienu a enya antia ye pepa sanse ene eye Thursday 80 on this note today mami nyaso na memfama openia ye Bugatti no